Hey there friends, I'm back again with a new tutorial video. In this video, I will teach you how to add text to an image in Adobe Photoshop. So let's start. The first step is to open Adobe Photoshop and import the image you want to add text to. If it's not open yet, just simply go to File, then Open and select your image from your computer. Next is to click on the text tool in the toolbar on the left side or press T on your keyboard. Now click anywhere on the image to create a text box. Type in your desired text. So for example, her name is Rose. And then click the check here. So you can also adjust the position and size of the text by selecting the Move tool or pressing V on your keyboard. Click and drag text to reposition it. So for you to resize the text, all you have to do is press Ctrl plus T simultaneously. And then you can resize the text using the corners. And then click check again. So for example, you want to change the font and the size. You can then click here and choose any font. And then click here to change the font size. Once you're satisfied with your text, you can then save the image and choose your preferred format and destination folder. And that's it. You now know how to add a text to your images using Adobe Photoshop. Unleash your creativity and take your designs to the next level. Thank you for learning with me today. Once again, thank you for watching how to add text to your image in Adobe Photoshop. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. See you in my next video. Happy designing, and until next time, keep spreading those positive vibes. You've got this.